can hide zero values from a cell or from an entire Excel file or Excel sheet. So to do so, for the cell, begin by selecting the exact cell, click on Format, select Format Cells, click on Custom, and here in Type, type 0, semicolon, and again 0 to semicolon, and add, and click OK. The code which I typed is 0, semicolon, 0, 1, 2, semicolon, and then the at sign. And this is the code to use. You can always copy the format and put it for other cells if you are interested. Also, to hide it in an entire worksheet by one click on an entire workbook, you can go to File, and here you click on Options, click on Advanced, scroll down until you see 0 value. You will find it under Display Options for this worksheet, and you can select the whole workbook or a specific worksheet. And here, show a 0 in cells that have 0 value. You must untick that and click OK. And as you can see, all the zeros have disappeared. Even if we type them again, they will just disappear. They will be hidden actually. You can always see them in the formula bar.